Bianca on the camera. Hi, say hi, Bianca. To the fucking camera.
Woodlands Beach. Somebody at the boy. Somebody want to be. I must say that's the one. I do man. Let's come here. Famous Woodlands Beach. Yeah. But you got the same man. You should run Bianca too. Look at all the tables. Some say don't get good for children. Watch all the tables and stuff. And stuff like that. Tables and stuff out there. Water. I'll show you guys the beach, bro. We're in the city water. You wouldn't gonna take off. White girl.
What a girl.
Nice. Nice design right here. Nice design right here. I don't know what all these signs are for though, to be honest. Unique signs over there. Oh, other different things in there.
And I forget my...
I better go for you. Let me stop here. You open. Huh? No. Show you guys the beach. I want to see a wild river, but I haven't seen any. Show you guys his girl. Let's see if he's there. He's gonna stay. The river's nice. Black sand, yeah? Remember Montserrat is low. Place I got black sand. Antigua have white sand. We're gonna be in Antigua for like 2 days anyway before we go back to England. No, not 2, but a day and a half. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys more of Antigua and show you guys what's going on. That chair is nice. If you wanna sit in that chair, take pictures and stuff. Let's see if the water's cold. Oh, the sun is definitely hot, mate. Let's see if the water's cold. But yeah, my beautiful little island. Also, it's nice, you know. It's just the people there. Oh, that feels so warm and nice, you know, like. So warm and nice. Beautiful houses around there. The house over there is like, it's a beach. There's a step down to the beach. The water's clear. You can see the water. It's so clear. So clear. Clean water. Montserrat is nice, I'm not gonna like it. Montserrat is nice. Nice, you know. I can see that. Beautiful beach. Over there is Redonda, like a small island. I don't think no one lives on there though. And the behind that is Nevis, I think. In St. Kitts. So many different places, man. Just nice, chill out place, you know.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's longer, I know. I'm walking on that rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you say. You was just saying, it's that way. Turn back if you go crazy. See what you're the house. Yeah, if I slide, but it's fine, just the first line.
Put Bianca on the camera. Hi, say hi, Bianca. To the fucking camera.
I think I'm gonna do the people this house. Yes, the camera persons.
Me and Ellen was like the car kill. I take video.
You never shot the boy? Yeah, one thing. Okay. That was a bit aggressive there. He was coming into hot. He was coming in hot. He was coming in hot just now. What's going on? Your people with the steering wheel like you can't see over.
I have the camera on, you know.
Yeah. Actually, might edit it.
And then I go hear yourself behind me.
boy, me have to go for French boy. You might tell French German, man. You know, me have to because of me have to come here for charge the battery, we have to recharge the battery for it to drive. Nah, you can't drive so. And then when we go pay.
You sound like his mommy.
Wait, does he sound like my mommy?
Lordy man, I drop down.
Why you feel like your mommy? When I said that when I started it out, you just don't give time to start it out. No, you want to watch over me. Brandon, you watch over? Brandon,
I'm busy plugging right now.
Eh? Make a lot of what? No more project. Because you're this is sometimes very concerned into that.
What's in big have some lyrics now?
As a protector.
Tuck in your belly, tuck in your belly. Tuck in your belly. Oh yes, going back in England. That's
So you couldn't tell you all I've been known and girls there for me, man. And you know my partner down here.
They put it on the campus. Well, you said the girls them down here, love?
Down here, I'm not looking money, boy. So you can send them one of the nice rich English girls to me. You know, you can do reception like that.
Must be on the boat on here.
Reception,
No, maybe on the boat on.
boy, you don't get along here on the street, boy. Yeah, boy. You get along on the street, boy. You go send them Denny's for me down here. You know what I mean? This Roland have a sister-in-law here, and the color remind me of Denny's,
This man, you know. Yeah, what are you drinking there?
Coconut
Coconut water, some ice, yeah.
Coconut water with some ice.
We just got coconut water.
Coconut water.
Finally. Yes.
It tastes good.
Let me tell you something.
It tastes cool. You know drink them?
No.
It tastes like the coconut water. It doesn't taste sweet. It doesn't taste too.
What is happening down here? Oh, make me see the old man then for put it on. Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
Are you a friend?
How you doing?
Who are you?
How you doing, sir?
Who are you?
What you doing up there? I remember my ends. This is my ends. Why? Why?
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Walking on that rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? It's that way. Turn back if you gon' crazy. You want you yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, it's just a fresh bite. Yeah. You been like that, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talking, talking, walking back it up, you just can't let go. Make me special, whoa, yeah. But you holding me back, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't
Yes, guys, so we're on the dead north side of the island. I'm gonna show you guys a volcano from this side. Over here, the water off. Montserrat is green. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. So I'll show you guys the damage that the volcano done. So all over here, it's like landslides from the volcano right in the water. Let me show you guys, let me show you guys what's going on. See that? Beautiful Montserrat, boy. Boy. So up here is the volcano, let me show you. Right there, that's the volcano right here. And then when you come in here, when it erupted, it come down there, all that brown stuff is ash. It's not where the grass is right here. Go right in the water and push the water back out. You see out here is nice. Part is nice, huh? Come on here and do a good barbecue. One year when we come, we're gonna come in here and do a barbecue. Can you guys see? But yeah, Montserrat's green, Montserrat's nice. Montserrat is amazing. I'm just trying to get as much in as possible because we are leaving today to go Antigua. We're gonna be in Antigua for a few days though. But we're leaving today to go Antigua. But over here is nice. Right over there, all over there. It's just green. Green, green, green. As I said, that's the volcano, but it's covered right now. It's been raining all week. But yeah. Green, green grass. Blue, blue sky. Yeah guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This is just a Montserrat trip. I didn't get to do much, or I didn't get to show much, because I didn't do nothing apart from chill out, relax. That's all I did. But yeah, it was a good trip, good relaxing trip. I enjoyed myself, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was well needed. The videos are not done. It's just, I'm just ending this video here. Starting my next video in a minute because I'm gonna get ready now because we're going to Antigua. We're gonna be in Antigua for a day and a half. So we're gonna see how much footage we could get there. We got a lot more to do in Antigua, so definitely you guys are gonna get a lot of footage. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you get notified when I drop these videos. And remember, it's leveled up season. We're leveling up part 2024. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Roland, I'm out. Peace.